As a solo traveler, you're always ready to take setbacks which are part of life. And nobody travels on the road to success without a puncture or two. So for now, let's find the two-wheeler workshop, get it repaired and start day 4.
कैमरा है ताने हेलमेट के साथ ही रहता साथ
One thing which I observed here in Telangana is that people talk a lot and they are very welcoming. It is good people who make good places and I really loved it here.
Where are you from, bro?
Kerala,
Kerala. Where are you going?
Sikkim.
Sikkim. Any phone? Na phone manchile. Which YouTube channel?
I'll start the YouTube channel. But you can subscribe. After 1 month, everything will be there, okay?
Okay.
Vivek TV.
Now it's on.
It's there.
What is it?
VIVK, Vivek, VIVE.
The start of the day wasn't so smooth and a bit hectic, but as I mentioned, the people here are very welcoming and friendly, which changed my mood completely. It was already 11 in the morning and I was traveling to Jabalpur in Madhya Pradesh, which was 475 kilometers from Adilabad. The feeling of drinking hot tea at highway roadside dhaba is simply amazing. I just love the local dhaba food, it is the best. One of the best things I like about the Indian tolls is that it is absolutely free for the two-wheelers if you cross any state. I was on the NH44 and this NH44 covers the north-south corridor of NHDP and it is officially listed as running over more than 3,800 kilometers from Srinagar to Kanyakumari and it is the longest national highway in India. It looks like this accident was caused by the truck driver's inattention and unsafe speed for the road conditions. Our life is a constant journey from birth to death. The landscape changes, the people change, our needs change, but the train keeps moving. Life is the train. It's remarkable how quickly a good and favorable wind can sweep away the maddening frustrations of scorching sun. And the weather conditions was perfect to cruise on the highway, and I was really loving the vibe. The view was exciting, and I am like a kid in a candy store looking for that perfect piece of candy. So I thought I'll go down and see how the view looks like from the close quarters, and I knew the possibilities are really endless. If you could stay as stubborn as when you were a child, then you need not to compromise on your dreams. Somewhere I knew I will have a tough time coming out of the slushy mud, but still I thought I'll give it a try and know how it feels like to get stuck. Regardless of how you feel inside, always try to look like a winner. Even if you are behind, a sustained look of control and confidence can give you a mental edge that results in victory. After an adventurous getaway, I was quite relieved. But the bike was completely covered with the mud and slush, which was more like a clay and which hardly gave grip to the tires. By then, it just started raining and the bike was all clean and new again. By faith, I know God hears my prayers. The best thing one can do when it's raining is to let it rain. I had almost covered 400 kilometers for the day and it took me almost 10 hours of continuous riding. And just to make it worse, I had the second puncture for the day. The best thing about living in a small village is when you are not sure what's going on in your life, someone in the village usually does. And this is what I felt when I had randomly stopped for a tea break and I just wanted to pitch my tent here. I was in a small village called Lakhnudan near Jabalpur, and after a tiring ride I just wanted to spend the night here. This place was owned by Mr. Kamlesh, who was running a small tea shop here, and once I asked him if I could stay here in my tent, his obvious answer was an yes. And this is how the village people are, very simple and welcoming. I love those connections that make this big old world feel like a little village. Life is best when you are camping and I couldn't find a better place than this. Thank you Mr. Kamlesh for your hospitality. When you look deep into the nature and then you will understand everything better. The place was something like that. The affection showed towards me was 100% real as he offered me free dinner and 2 leg pieces on my plate. Always end the night with a positive thought. No matter how hard the day may have been, there is always a reason to be grateful. Let tomorrow be a fresh start. And thanks for watching.